Hey guys, I hope you're good. So today I'm doing gold analysis. So yeah, let's get to it. And do not forget that tomorrow it's NFP day, so expect a lot of volume, a lot of spikes. So just be careful. Should I put it in that way? All right, cool. Let's do some analysis here. Let's see what happened to my controls. What happened to my controls? Okay, cool. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, just gonna draw this my trend here. Not a trend, but it's a pattern. So already it's an uptrend. So it's a pattern. That's my pattern, and then here's my last swing high before the pattern, right? So normally, when you trade patterns, they will help you in terms of avoiding fake outs, especially when somebody's trading sort of straight support and resistance. So people who are trading support and resistance, when they see the spike, they already sold, and then their target was here. But unfortunately, now this turned into a pattern. So if you're trading patterns, normally when you get to around support and resistance, you wait for that pattern to form, and once the pattern is finished, after you get a breakout, then you go for the sells, right? So this is like this is the last daily high, and the pattern is forming, right? But I'm not gonna use a daily time frame. I just wanted to get an overview of where the trend is, right? So I'm just gonna remove this. I can see obviously this is my resistance. I'm gonna use this resistance, this latest resistance. This, like, for me, it's a daily. It's a bit old for my trading. I use daily time frame or 4-hour time frame on other currencies, not gold. Gold, gold is a bit expensive to trade gold on a daily time frame. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna go to H4 and see if I can find something. Okay, nicely. And you can also always refine your trend lines and your support and resistance. You can always refine. You can always put them correctly and modify them, right? So as the price goes up and down, right? So okay, this is double top for our H4, right? So far I'm not seeing anything, so just double top. Let's go to an hour. Alright, cool. I can see a little pattern forming here from an hour point of view. Sorry, did I put this now? I see a pattern forming from an hour point of view. So now this is interesting. This is the right time frame that I use. So you see a bit of a pattern forming here on an hour time frame. Alright, and if you know how to trade patterns, normally when it's opening, most of the time when it opens, like, it's gonna be a sell, right? When it closes at the end, normally it's gonna be either or. So, but most of the time when it's open like this, it will come back to be a sell. Forgot what do they call this? What do they call this? This pattern, right? So I don't know what happened to my H4 resistance area, but I've got it here. That's fine. So another pattern is forming in an H1. Remember when we were checking patterns on a daily, we saw that there's a pattern forming. So we've got two patterns in daily and in H1. So now a daily time frame and 1 hour time frame, they are correlating, right? So normally what I look for 3 touches when I'm trading a pattern, especially when I'm trading gold, right? I'm looking for 3 touches, just like he's got 1, 2, 3 touches. So normally when a third touch, it will come back down, it will change the direction, right? Especially in a resistance area. So if it's in a resistance area and you get your third touch on your pattern, normally it would come down, right? So there's a bit of liquidity grab here. Not sure if it's enough, but let's see what does 15 minutes have for us. Before we dig deeper, nothing on 15 minutes. I'm gonna go to 5 minutes as well. Little bit of confusion. Let's go to even a minute, because you can even trade one minute time frame on gold, guys. Gold is very expensive. Gold is very, very expensive. So let's look at what we have on a minute here. Alright, we've got a nice trend here. Let's see. Okay, now a pattern forming, bit of a impulse. Correction is happening here, right? So normally, just like I said, I trade when it's gold and it's pattern. I look at the touches inside the pattern before I'm looking for the sell. So since we haven't found a third touch, we only have to 1-2 touch, right? So I'm looking at 4. I'll be looking for something like this, a third touch and a break, right? So and then I'm gonna look for sells after this break of this pattern, right? So let me extend it, or we might still get something like this. I mean, Forex, there's no straightforward. You get something like break, retest, and push it to the downside. But overall, I'm looking for the sell. So if it breaks before touching, giving me a third touch, at least it must give me a retest. It must give me something, right? And then based on these, obviously my entry will be around here based on the breakout, right? My entry will be around here. And I'm gonna go to H1 and see what do we have here. We're looking at this, our targets. Let's see, what do we have here? Yes. So I'm targeting 2032 as my target, and then my stop loss is 2055. So yeah, that's it with gold, guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know. But yeah, I'm looking for overall sells. So tomorrow, maybe after NFP, we might probably see a bit of a spike. So that's why I'm gonna wait for it. We might see a bit of a spike, you know, catching them to the other side, just to grab more liquidity, and then from there giving us the sells. So yeah, we'll have a look tomorrow, guys, and hope that it goes our way. And happy trading tomorrow, guys, and good luck. This is NFP, guys. If you're not good at it, or if you are skeptical or unsure, just close your trades, guys, because it's gonna wipe all your stop losses and resume. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and please do not forget to leave comment below. Thank you, guys.